Hey friends, if you wish to change what opens on startup Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager. Now go to Startup on the list on the left hand side and you will see a lot of programs. I suggest that you click on Status twice so that all of them are arranged by the enabled ones on the top. And if you wish to disable any specific application from startup, just right click on it and select disable. Now it will not launch at startup itself and it will show below. But if you wish to launch a specific application at startup itself, like let's say you want to launch Microsoft Edge at startup itself, it launches in the background. So right click on it and select enable. Now Microsoft Edge has been enabled, Opera has been disabled. Similarly, you can enable or disable any application. And if that application is not visible here, either it is supposed to run in the background or it is not the kind of application which is configured to start at startup itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.